How to rate a video on Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can rate a video on Vimeo. But one thing you must notice is that Vimeo doesn't have a traditional rating system like thumbs up or star ratings. The only way you can rate a video on Vimeo is by showing appreciation, by liking the video, or by leaving a thoughtful comment. Like I said, a thoughtful comment. So how do you do that? Log into your Vimeo account first of all, then move to the left side of the screen and click on the library option. Then on the library page, select the video that you would like to rate. Okay, so after selecting the video, you'll be brought to the video settings page. On this page, you can see the videos being displayed. Alright, so move to the right side of the screen and you see options like, you see add to watch later, you see share. So you can just go ahead and like this video. And by liking this video, the probability and chances of the video to be seen by more people would increase, and it would enable the video to be more effective. So that is it. So that is the only way you can that's the only way you can actually rate a video on Vimeo, because there is no rating system on Vimeo, so you can just like the video and then leave a thoughtful comment. So that is it. So these are the ways, this is how we can rate a video on Vimeo. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and like as many videos as you so desire. Have a good day.